Welcome to Sharesight. So now that you've signed up and created your account, you want to start uploading your investments into your portfolio. We have 3 ways you can do this. We can do this manually through our trade form. You can import from one of our supported brokers. And you can also import via a CSV file through our required mapping. Most brokers will let you download a CSV file or an Excel file from their platform that encapsulates the trades. So when using the CSV import, if you do get that file and it's not a supported broker, you just need to keep the buy and sell trades. You can remove all of the dividends and other transaction data because we only import buy and sell trades. Importing from a broker works the similar kind of way, where you download that file from your broker and then import it through some pre-mapping that we have done. We also have brokers that we support via an API connection, which basically means trading data will flow live from your broker into Sharesight. And to find out more information about that, see the link below. Now, importing from a broker, you'll have the brokers that are local to your location, and you can also search for international brokers. Or you can simply search for your broker. Click onto the broker tile. You'll have some steps here, and you can also choose the file you wish to import. Once your file is selected, click upload, and then you'll see trades that are ready to import, and also some ignored trades as well. Now those ignored ones are just transaction data that we don't import. So it's only reading the trading data. Click the orange Finish and Import All button, and then those trades will successfully import. Now, if we wanted to add it in something manually, say we lost the data from the broker, or we just prefer to enter the information manually, we would either click the drop down arrow and click manually add a trade, or you can just click the blue add a new holding button. Or if you're on the main screen from when you first join up, you can click the manually add a holding button too. Now, we want to search the company name. So if I was, for instance, looking for Tesla, I can type in the ticker code, or I can type in the company name. Find the correct instrument. Select the date of your trade, and that will be dependent on whether the trade type is a buy trade or an opening balance. So buy trade is how you would see it in your broker, but an opening balance can be useful if you've had lots of buying across, say, 10 or 20 years, or you've moved brokers and you actually don't have access to the trading data, but you know the cost base and then the quantity there. For this demonstration, I'll just select buy trade. Let's just say I bought this a couple of years ago. We bought this many units. Now you can either enter your own share price, or you can enter a price that we pull at market close of that day. Just enter a price. For any instruments that are added in that are outside of your portfolio's tax residency, so my residency is Australia, I'm trading in a US market, so there's going to be an exchange rate here. You can either, we pull this from end of day rates as well, or you can enter in your own rate there too, and then brokerage as well. Brokerage can be local currency of your tax residency or local currency of the market traded in. Once all the details are correct, you can just save that trade and it'll be added to your portfolio. And we can find it there in the overview.